Welcome to the Gas Company How-To Video Guides. In this video, we will show you how to fix a dripping tap. Firstly, locate the water supply. If you are fixing a cold water tap, the stopcock is usually found under the kitchen sink. Or if you are fixing a hot water tap, the stopcock is usually found near your hot water tank. Before starting the repair, you will need the following: a wrench, some wire wool, an adjustable spanner, a flathead screwdriver, a soft cloth or sponge, and some new rubber tap washers. Preparation 1. To check that you have stopped the water supply correctly, turn on the tap and check to see if the water is still running. It is also a good idea to drain all taps in your house, as this will reduce the amount of excess water draining out of the tap that you're repairing. Also remember to place the plug in the plug hole to prevent any loss of screws and fixings disappearing down the plug hole. Preparation 2. Next, loosen the screw head nut. It's a good idea to tape the wrench with paper or plastic tape to reduce any damage to the outside of the tap. Then start to turn the screw head nut with the wrench. If the tap begins to move, we would suggest that you attach the adjustable spanner to the underside of the tap nut, located underneath the sink. This will keep the tap in place while you apply leverage to the screw head nut. Preparation 3. Remove the tap head assembly. Once the tap head assembly is removed, locate the washer at the base of the assembly. Remove the washer with a screwdriver or your fingers. Next, clean the tap assembly with some steel wool, as this will clear any unwanted grease or limescale away, giving you a better fixing on reconnection. Next, dry the tap head assembly. Preparation 4. Next, place the new washer onto the base of the tap head assembly and then offer the tap head into the base of the tap and tighten with the wrench. Make sure the threads are aligned correctly before tightening. Preparation 5. Remember to close off all the taps before turning the water supply back on. Your dripping tap has now stopped dripping. This how-to video guide was brought to you by the Gas Company Doncaster.